Gives me a bunch of values in this table for G, and then the answer choices, or the answer, the output. So let's call the G the input, and this right here the output. And saying a linear function K for selected values G is shown above, which of the following defines K. So it's really saying out of these answer choices, which one of these is the correct, I guess, function, you can call it, where if I input the G, it gives me the right answer for K of G. So let's go through A. Right, so it's saying if I plug in 0, and I'm working with 0 because it's a nice, easy to work number to work with. So if I input the 0 right there, it should give me 1. So 2/5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this one does work, right? So for now, let's just go through the answer choices and eliminate anything that won't. So B will be negative 0 plus 2, which will be 2. But that won't work. So B won't work for this value right there, right? So I can eliminate B. Let's go to C. C will be negative 2 times 0 minus 2. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. But the output, when I input G for 0, for any of these values, it should give me 1. So that's why C won't work either. But now D, negative 0, or just 0 plus 1 is 1, so that works. So for now, I was able to eliminate a couple of answers just by using 0. So now I know I'm left with just A and D. The next easier input is 1. The next easiest one is 1, right? So let's try 1 now. 2/5 times 1 is just 1. 2/5 times 1 is just 2/5. And 2/5 plus 1 is 1 and 2/5. But the output it's saying should be 0. So for that reason, I know A doesn't work, but let's go to D. If I plug in 1 right there, so it'll be negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. And that's what the output is, so I know the answer has to be D because it's the only one works. Now, let's say if 1 worked for A and D, then I would go to 2 and see when I put in 2 for G, does it give me negative 1? And I can keep doing that for all the answer choices till there's only one answer choice left, and that one has to be it. And in this case, it just worked out with 0 and 1. I was able to figure out it's D.